All right, guys. So we weren't able to practice this week. I apologize about that. A lot of rain this week, so hopefully we won't have too many more cancellations. But we're excited to start playing this weekend. We have 2 games, one Saturday, one Sunday. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about positions. We never got a chance. That's what I was planning on doing this week, was to talk about positions. So in our age group, we're going to play 7 versus 7. So we'll have 7 players on the field at one time, and then we'll have 7 players on the field at one time. Okay? So we obviously have more than 7 on our team. So some of us will start out resting on the side. Everybody's going to get a fair amount of playing time. Okay? So we're going to give people breaks as they get tired. We'll be shuffling in and out. So I'm going to go over all the positions here real briefly. Try to help learn a little bit. Don't worry if you don't understand this today. We have a whole season to learn, and we'll go over it more in practice next week. But at any point, I might have you try one of these different positions. Everybody's going to try pretty much every position. So just wanted to kind of go over a little bit to give you a general overview of that. So we're just going to start from the back to the front. So like I said, we're going to have 7 people on the field at the same time. So the first person we got here in the back is our goalkeeper. Okay, so as we talked about in practice, goalkeeper is the only person who's allowed to touch the ball with their hands. Okay, so I have my little drawing of a field here. I'm not a very good artist, okay, so bear with me. But we have the goal here, and then when we're on the field, we're going to have this painted lines on here. There's a big box, okay? So the goalkeeper can touch the ball with their hands any place within this box. They cannot touch it with their hands outside this box. If we do, it'll be a penalty, and the other team will get a free kick. If it happens, it happens. Okay, don't worry about it if you're playing goalkeeper. Okay, and anybody who wants a chance to play goalkeeper will get that chance. So, and then we're going to have I wrote there LB and RB. So what that means is left back and right back. So those are defenders. Okay, so their primary job is to defend the goal, keep the other team from scoring in the goal. Okay? And then we have the midfield, so the middle of the field. So back, middle, left midfielder, right midfielder. Their job is a little bit of both. Their job is to help come back and defend, and to come all the way up to help in the attack where we're trying to score in the other team's goal. Okay? So now we got 5, and then we have 2 more up front. So we have we have 2 more up front, so I'll either call them strikers or forwards. So probably use forwards most of the time because it's pretty easy to remember. So we got back, which is all the way in the back towards our goal. We got midfield, which is in the middle of the field, okay, the middle line, and then the forward line, the most forward to the front line. Okay, so their job is to basically attack towards the goal, try to score. Okay, they don't need to come back and help as much on defense. Okay, so let's go backwards and talk a little bit more specifically about each position. So this position here, I'm going to put this line down through the middle here. So I wrote on here left and right. Okay, so that means that you're pretty much going to stay on this left side of the field, and then the right back is going to pretty much stay on the right side of the field. Okay, so if you're on this side, you shouldn't be way over here on the other side of this person, okay? So you want to kind of try to stay within this side. So everywhere on this side of the field is your area to cover and defend, okay? The right back, it's their job for this side, okay? I don't want you to be way over here, because then that creates a space over here where I have nobody defending, okay? So I want you to defend on your side. I want you to defend on your side. And these positions, So you'll only go up to about the middle. There'll be a middle line here. You're only going to go up to about that far, maybe a little over that line, okay? You're not going to go too much further. So it's kind of the same principle, the same idea with the midfielders here. Again, they're helping to defend and they're helping to come back, but we also kind of want you to kind of stay on your side. This person shouldn't be over on this person's side and vice versa. This person shouldn't be all the way over here, okay? Sometimes you'll be kind of close towards the middle. Sometimes, this person will be way over here and you'll be towards the more middle, but pretty much stay on your side. So their job is to come all the way back and help, but also to come all the way up to help score, okay? Now, these two up front, the forwards and the strikers, the forwards or the strikers, again, their job is to score, their job is to attack. They don't really need to come back and help. And you notice I didn't write left or right because they don't really have a side. Okay, so I'm okay with if you're the forward on this side, if you come all the way over here, all right, and then you come all the way over here. It's not as important because our job there is just to score a goal. Okay? So that's a real basic overview, just so maybe you can learn a little bit from that and be a little prepared for our games this weekend. Again, don't worry about it. We'll learn as the weekend goes on, and then we will work on that more and practice as we go along. All right? See you guys Saturday.